Bros, we got cooked today. Rafa, we got somebody here to accompany us in our pain and suffering at least. But we got absolutely cooked today, man. Absolutely cooked. But anyways, I'll probably put a clip on it in this video. I need to merge them together. So today was NFP Friday. It was actually one of the cleanest months out of the, the cleanest days out of the week for sure. Unfortunately, your boy wanted to pass 500 accounts on the NFP candle, but you know, 9 out of 10 times it works. Today was that 10th time that it didn't work. It was a terrible NFP candle. That's really annoying. Really annoying. Aside from that, honestly, a good day. I didn't take any trades on any fundeds or anything like that. I just took a trade on my live account, which we actually cooked. We absolutely cooked in. Let me just pull up trading view here, if I could. You know, unfortunately, the plan that I had for this week isn't exactly going according to plan. But it is what it is. You know, you gotta manage with ups and downs. It's just, you gotta stay strong. That's all. Stay strong and trust the process. Maybe don't rush the process. Maybe I'm rushing the process a little bit. But anyway, so first, live account. Let's look into that right now. So I can show you guys. I think I'm up like $18. Should have been more. I could have held a little longer, but honestly, like, you can't predict everything. It's fine. Like, I'm pretty happy with my win anyway. Holy fuck, I could have held so much longer. Wow, I could have made a bag and a half. God damn. Wait, what? How much could have I made? Wait, what? There's no way. Let me see. I entered all the way down there. Oh my god, fuck off. Can you let me draft? Let me see the limit order. Motherfucker, I could have made like $50. You know what? It's fine. It is what it is. Basically double the account on this trade if I got it. It is what it is. Anyway, so today we actually got $21. Oh fuck, you guys are not gonna be able to see that. There we go. $21 and 21 cents. So I'll show you guys the trades that I took, and you'll see the NFP candle. You'll see that it's fucking bullshit what happened, but it is what it is. I was like so shocked that it didn't work. I was like kind of like, oh, okay. But anyways, getting into today, I kind of had a neutral bias at first. I thought we were gonna run through all of these lows, but let me get rid of what are we doing here? Get rid of that. So coming to the 4 hour, jeez, holy blue. Coming into the 4 hour, let's just go to the replay mode. What are we doing? All right, so coming into the 4 hour, I was kind of like I was kind of neutral because we still had very bearish order flow starting to form, but there was a good potential for us to reverse because I feel like this right here, this like couple moves right here overnight would have been a little lower, maybe taken this lower, put us like around here if we actually wanted to continue lower. So I was kind of leaning towards longs. At the same time, going into the market open, you'll see that. Let me skip this hourly candle right here. We had been trading above this hourly candle right here. And now that I just noticed this. I just noticed that we have this hourly gap right here. I guess I didn't see it in the moment. But so originally, since we took out these highs, we still respected this hourly gap. I thought we were going to run through all of these lows, like every single one of these, because it's like super clear trendline liquidity, right? And there actually was a very good trade pre-market that I didn't take, which was this 5-minute inverse off of this 5-minute gap. 5-minute inverse right here. This is the fucking NFP candle. I mean, look at this. So, like, it's so ass. No, actually, it's not even the NFP candle. I'll show you guys the NFP candle in the 1 minute in a sec. But anyways, we took out all these highs. These highs were like way too far anyway. Like, we're not even that close to those. We're still respecting the hourly. We made a 5-minute inversion right here. And realistically, I should have taken this. I wasn't on the charts yet. Like, I was still kind of mad about the NFP thing, so I wasn't really looking. But we ended up, like, you know, dumping all the way down into the London lows. And there was actually another short setup right there that we could have taken. But it is what it is, you know. I try not to trade before the market opened because you don't want to get caught, you know, with a... You don't want to get caught in a bad move. But I feel like if I see another move like this that is just like truly this obvious, I probably will start taking them. And as you can see right here, you know, we came up. This is the fucking NFP candle. I mean, look at this shit, bro. Most NFP candles close like way up here, which means that they rally like crazy. Not this one. This one went 12 points, and the peak was 50 points. But like, dude, it was so fast. Like, it was terrible. It was actually one of the worst NFP candles I've ever seen in my life. But anyways, I get, you know what? Roll the clip, bro. You'll see how fucking ass it is. Roll the clip right now.
Order rejected.
I can only do these two. I'm gonna have to exit manually here. 804, or sorry, 63, 62. Put this down a little bit. It's gonna happen in about 20 seconds now. Just have to be very quick with this. 18, 19, 61. Put this there.
Stop filled. Order filled.
Oh wow. I got instantly tagged and then anyways, moving on. I see that we're moving down, and we could have taken this CISD. I mean, this is a very clear direct, like very clearly we're moving down after taking this, closing below this low. We do have data lows ish down here, and we could have gone break even very quickly while taking these lows, and we would have been perfectly fine to go all the way down into London, like all the way down to here. But you know, you can't win them all. This is also right before the market opens, so it's a little bit risky. We first started by taking out the London low, and we saw an initial move up. I would have taken this inversion, honestly, because it looked really good. Oops, that's the wrong one. It did look really good, like right here. That looked like a really good inversion right there. We didn't quite get it, and I also honestly should have taken this because it's very clear that we changed the state and delivery. Like, we closed way up above this high that like kind of respected this 1 minute Fri gap. So like, I should have taken this trade right here to the probably to the middle of the range, or to this like internal high right here, which would have worked out perfectly. I mean, this would have been like, this is a really good trade. I could have even taken this and like put my stop loss like right here and still made it like worth the trade, but I didn't take it. I don't know. I wasn't 100% sure on it. I took it on. I took the trade. I took it on my live account. I just closed like around here because I thought we were gonna react lower from this 5 minute gap right here. That's why I was like kind of like, I'm not sure about that. So, anyways, what ends up happening is we start creating this very clear engineered liquidity right here, and I'm like, all right, bro, this is gonna go one of two ways. We either shit the bed and we just like rip through this low, and then we can retrace and find this low, or we just take this low and then we just see an immediate flip. So what happens? We take the low, we see an immediate flip. As much as we were very close to this low right here, and then this low, and then this low, the flip was so obvious that I ended up taking this right here, this long, very good long. Stops like I think stops were like right here. And then final, like, take profit 1 was right here. Take profit 2 was all the way up here. Could have gone for take profit 3 all the way up here, but I wasn't 100% sure if we are going to actually take that or not. But as you can see, price just shoots right up into both take profits, or all 3 take profits. So this is a extremely clean reversal. The reason for those, I mean, if you look at the top, I guess I'm blocking with my camera. I'll move my camera. I have this thing set up. It's kind of like a checklist, right? If we think about this trade right here, what do we have? We have what part of the daily range are we in? So let's look at the daily range, right? Let's go back a little bit. Let's go back to this like previous entry bar. Where are we in the daily range? So daily range would be the daily high, between the high and the low. So the low of day would be actually this one, and the high of day would be this one. We're in heavy discount right now, prime position to take longs. This is perfect. We also swept liquidity, right? We swept liquidity. We have a very clean, what I thought was the direction of liquidity was down here, but looking at it, we have a very clear direction of liquidity in this high right here, this engineered high right here after taking out this high, and this Asia high all the way up here. Super clear direction of liquidity, very clear bullish order flow in this case. And obviously, I'm probably gonna. I think I'd have to evolve into holding positions like all the way up, because you can see like price just completely like, and it's still going up. I have to learn to see when to exit and everything. I mean, all my take profits would have been hit. Like, it would have been insane. Like, obviously, there isn't always days like these, but these are these are the days that you want to capitalize on. But anyways, we're still very happy about the trades. I mean, to 1 to 4, extending it all the way up to here would be like a 1 to 7. So super good day. But going back to it, we had again an SMT with the Asia lows with ES. We had a change in state and delivery, which is, I would call it an inverse value gap right here, because if you were looking at the trade live, you would see that this right here, this fair value gap, didn't really do much. Like, it basically did the following. We push up. Okay, I just realized that this is going to be black. Okay, we push up. We push a little bit down, and then we push up right after, and then we were holding right here for a while. We were staying right there for a while until the minute closed. So that was a super clear indication of bullish order flow. And if you didn't catch it here, you could have caught it up here too. That was still perfectly good trade. You go break even here, your final take profit is here. Like, that still would have been good. Here could be like a option to scale into your contracts, but good day. I mean, honestly, I can't complain. I got fucked with the funded accounts, and I'm really annoyed, because if I had passed them, this would have been a banger trade to take at first. You know what? It is what it is. That's life. I still have some drawdown in them, so maybe I can save them next week. Hopefully, if I mean, shit. If I catch a trade like this, how could I not? I mean, look at this, bro. I could already pass the accounts from like the very little drawdown that they have left. I go 2 minis right there. Target this high, I'd be passing the accounts. So it's actually like, it's ridiculous. That how good this trade was, how like good this trading day was. People fucking printed. Everybody printed except for me, I guess. But it is what it is. We'll still follow our goals. Nothing else new. I'm gonna be doing a lot of back testing over the weekend. I think maybe I'll do a video back testing. I'm not sure. I think maybe I'll do like a quick video like highlighting some back testing data, and it's because I want to implement changes to delivery in my trades, and I think that's gonna allow me to get much better entries, like this one right here, instead of waiting for this one, and then obviously confirming this one, and really like helping me understand what is going on in the chart range. Also, daily profile and daily range is really important as well. So yeah, we have a lot of good things coming. It's only the first week of the year. It could have been a lot better, but you know what? The best part is it can't get worse. It can get worse than this, but the best part is every single mistake is more data to know for the future. All right. Oh, I'll leave the video at this. Hopefully you guys will stick with me. I know that I'm not trading the best, but just you wait, man. Just you wait. That's all I gotta tell you. Just you wait. As always, Discord will be down in the description. You guys can join this. And I did the whole analysis there. I took all the trades and everything, so you guys will see that. All right. Stay smart and stay strong. Don't let bad times define even if you're wrong. All right. Rhyme of the day. Peace out.